Are you tired of scrolling through hundreds of rows to find one piece of data? Learn to filter in Smartsheet in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through creating a filter from scratch. First, navigate to your sheet, then set up the filter criteria, and finally, apply it. Navigate to the Smartsheet homepage where all your sheets are listed. Then, open the sheet you want to work with by clicking on its name. Now, click on the Filter button at the top bar to start creating a new filter. You'll see a dialog where you can enter a name for your filter. Go ahead and type something descriptive. Next, select the field you want to filter by from the drop-down menu. Then, choose a condition, for example, is one of, to specify how the filter should work. Finally, select the values you want to include in the filter. Once you're done, click Apply to activate the filter. And that's it. You've successfully created a filter in Smartsheet. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.